Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform HearID ANC test for your earbuds ANKER Liberty 3 Pro. You have to start by open Soundcore application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see it at the device list. Tap on your earbuds. And right here we can enter to this test. We can tap at the HearID test and then select HearID ANC test. Or you can select ANC mode and now tap on it. If you wanna customize ANC, you need to also perform this test. So you can tap at this icon here. After that, remove your earbuds from the charging case and put it to your ears. Then make sure that the ear tips fits snugly in your ear. And also, you need to be in the noisy environment for the test to be correct. Now tap at the ear canal test. Oh, and what the most important also, do not swallow or speak. Now I play some song here to simulate my background. And let's click next, and then next. Now don't speak, please. And then click test. Let's test it again, maybe I will make it more louder. Here we go. Now click try now, and right here, as you can see, we have this adaptive mode. This actually all what we need. So you can check it. Also, you can return right here to the ANC test, and you can perform it again, or you can restore, delete this test what we just made before. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!